Welcome to today's episode of Tech Tools 101. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of MCP tools, a command line interface designed to facilitate communication with Model Context Protocol servers. Whether you're a developer looking for efficient ways to interact with these servers, or just someone interested in the latest tech tools, this episode has something for you. So, what exactly is MCP tools? Well, it's all about simplifying your workflow with MCP servers. Imagine having a versatile toolbox at your fingertips, allowing you to discover, call, and manage tools provided by these servers. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your coding needs. All right, let's break down some of the key features that make MCP tools stand out. One of the most interesting aspects is the ability to create mock servers. This is particularly useful when testing client applications because you can simulate an MCP server without having to build one from scratch. Just think about it. You can simulate and test your applications in a controlled environment, which saves time and effort. Have you ever faced challenges with debugging during development? A mock server can help alleviate that. And speaking of testing, let's talk about the proxy mode. This feature allows you to connect shell scripts as MCP tools. Picture this. Instead of writing complex code to perform tasks, you can create a basic shell script and expose it as an MCP tool. That's a game changer for developers looking to extend their application's functionality without diving deep into new code bases. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get started? Well, it's surprisingly easy. MCP tools can be installed via Homebrew, just a simple command and you're set up and ready to go. Or if you prefer, you can install it from source. Honestly, it's as straightforward as grabbing a cup of coffee. Once you have MCP tools up and running, you can easily connect to an MCP server and start listing available tools. Just imagine the relief when you realize how quickly you can access, call, and manage commands, all from your terminal. Let's not forget about the output formatting options. MCP Tools supports various output styles like JSON and pretty printed tables. It's like having a personalized dashboard right in your terminal. For example, you can format your output in a way that makes it easier to read and understand. All right, let's take a moment to address some common commands you can use with MCP Tools. One command you'll find yourself using often is call, where you can invoke a specific tool with parameters. Imagine being able to read, write, or manipulate files directly from your command line without jumping through hoops. Feel free to take notes because this could very well streamline your development process. Now, let's shift gears a little. When it comes to project scaffolding, MCP Tools allows you to create a complete project structure with just a few commands. This means you can set up your new MCP server, complete with transport configuration and TypeScript support, in a fraction of the time it would usually take. How awesome is that? As we wrap up today, let's reflect on the key takeaways from our discussion about MCP tools. This command line interface has the potential to significantly enhance your productivity by making server interaction more seamless and intuitive. From creating mock servers and calling tools to project scaffolding and customizing your output formats, MCP Tools stands out as a critical ally for developers. Before we sign off, I'd like to leave you with a question. How do you think tools like MCP Tools could change the way we develop and interact with server protocols in the future? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Tools 101. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Until next time, happy coding.